I'm on my way to European Yoga Festival, which is Kundalini Yoga Festival, and it is in Jambi, about 1 hour outside of Paris. Here, I have the opportunity to do 3-day white Tantric Yoga. Before attending to the 3-day white Tantric Yoga, I arrived early to do sadhana, sing with the Sangit, do some yoga, and checked out the Gurudwara and pray with other yogis, just so that I can settle deeper in myself and be grounded to prepare for the 3 days white tantrics. And Yogi Bhajan say that white tantric yoga is to raise one's own consciousness and allow the experience of universal totality of oneness within oneself and the world, and not to be confused with black or red tantric. So black tantric is manipulate energy of another human being, versus the red tantric direct the energy solely for sensual and sexual purposes. And versus the white tantric is to remove the garbage of the subconscious mind, which block you from seeing your real self. Yogi Bhajan explained that since ancient times, humans have found that they have zillions of thoughts, billions of feelings and emotions, thousands of desires and fantasies, and multi-realities and personalities. Ultimately, our minds and thought rules and bog us down. So we try every method available to get rid of this pressure, because it's eating us up inside. With white tantric yoga, it's enable us to break through these subconscious blocks so that we can enjoy life. And really, this is the path to personal freedom and awareness, and will bring more success to every area of your life. Sat Nam.